Immune support mixture: floral honey, black seed, freeze-dried wax moth larvae, flax-seed oil. Bashkir floral honey-based immune support mixture with freeze-dried wax moth larvae, black seeds and flax-seed oil is a unique product made according to original recipe. In immune support mixture, we use black seed extract and freeze-dried wax moth larvae powder. In that way, we preserve all the healing properties of those ingredients. In order to save all the healing effect of flaxseed oil, we use manual wooden oil press. Suggested usage: it is recommended to take 1 or 2 teaspoons of mixture after breakfast, followed by 1 drink of choice. Our mixture can be used as adjunct medication as a support for immune system after taking aggressive medication or for treating flu, gastrointestinal tract diseases, herpes and papilloma virus, tonsillitis, bronchitis, pneumonia, tuberculosis.